Okay, guys, good afternoon. So, market has made a big run today. Okay, morning was horrible, scary. No trading in the morning. So, we already moved, guys, to the September contract. Okay, what you need to do are the rollover, remember. And well, what we see today, even though the morning was very choppy, guys. This is like about 7:30 in the morning. It's my time. I didn't get this information, so look at this 7:30, starting from here, my time. You couldn't even trade this, guys. Horrible price action. Okay, so I decided to wait a little bit so the market can go, more smoothly. Okay, so did some longs in the Nasdaq, and well, ES haven't touched that yet. So let's see the ES. As you can see, the ES is pushing higher here. If you got this bull run here, you're deep in the money. Okay, so I'm waiting the close, guys. We're about 33 minutes to the close. Let's see if we can make a trade here. Not forcing anything, just waiting for the pullback. As always, guys, I always tell you, wait for the pullbacks. Okay, you see that I put it here. They tag the first ATR, buyers punch in. Was a huge run. Second ATR tag. You see the buyers in the tape. As it was the bond auction today, so the market was gonna be as expected. The market is all over the place. So after that pass, market started going higher, moved very nice. So Nasdaq is in a sweet spot here. We can see big buyers in the tape. Gonna place a limit order, guys, here. Let's see if we get filled. Buyers are still in control, guys. Okay, guys, we get filled. Gonna leave it some room. Okay, we need to be quick with this trade. I don't want to be too long in this trade. I'm already up 500, so I will need to just catch a little bit. See buyers reversing. To see Nasdaq at least tag the first ATR. We see more buyers in the tape. As the rollover, guys, remember the volume is half and half. Volume is still in March contract and September contract. So signals are more, you need to be more logical with your signals. Okay, buyers in the tape here in the ES2. Okay, trying to push price up. Okay, the Nasdaq is starting to push a little bit higher.
Long signal and Q.
There we go, buyers in the tape. We see an imbalance in the Nasdaq. ES is struggling a bit here. Okay, buyers trying to push higher prices, but still the market is struggling here. Okay, guys, big buyers now in the tape, 766. Nasdaq broke already the ATR. This can hit the first target, which can put us break even. on, guys, we need another buy burst here. There we go.
Long signal and Q.
Okay, first target hit is free now, guys. No problem now. Whatever we can get. There we go. Second target hit. We see 1900 contracts long in the micro ES. Okay, guys. Target filled. There you go. 3 entries, 3 exits. Okay, over 450. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. If you're interested in the system, there's a link in the description of this video. You can contact me. I will be happy to send you information. Okay, as you see here, guys, to the tick was tagged to the tick, guys.
Long
Okay,
signal and Q.
so what happens with the Nasdaq? Okay, it was in a sweet spot. You can go to my older videos and you can see I always talk about the sweet spot. Okay, okay, so some people say, so what about if the price is just going long and long and it never retraces, or short and short and it retraces? Okay, you can see that linear regression here. Okay, when price is tagging the linear regression, guys, the algorithm think this is a long position. Okay, because this is the only way that they can understand talking about programming. Okay, they already understand that if price is above the linear regression, it's a rising market, and if price is below the linear regression, is it's a trending down market. Okay, so that's how when price retraces to the linear regression and you see correlation dots and tape momentum blue, as you can see here, maybe I can remove this. You see the blue momentum in the bars. Okay, so the tape was very strong here, but when price retraced to the linear regression, okay, so as you can see here again, but there was no correlation until later. Okay, over here it was. We see a tape momentum here, and price was very close to the linear regression. You can go long here. That's how you enter if price is not retracing, guys. Okay, so hope you understand something today, guys. So thanks for watching. Have a great day.